Hello again, it's video time again, and today I'd like to show you this lovely VW Touran 1.6S petrol, finished in the black. Very nice looking car, nice low mileage car for a 2006. It's been very well looked after, full service history with it. A few little minor marks in the paint here and there, as you would expect, a little tiny dent, as you would expect for the age, but nothing to worry about. Ever so nice and clean inside. It's got the 7-seat option, so you've got the seats in the back as well if you need them. These seats fold forward and back as well, and I think they come out as well, those do, so there's loads of room. Very versatile. A few marks on the back bumper there, nothing horrendous. And that's what it looks like with the seats in place. And then these headrests come out. Out now. These, if I can just show you, these store under here, so you've got slots in place for the headrests. They go in there like that, and underneath there as well in the middle is a blow-up kit, and then the seats fold down place like that, so that just makes for a nice big load area if you don't need the 7 seats. And then also got the toolkit and jack, that's all tucked away inside there. Obviously got the pull across the load area cover as well if you need that. So yeah, nice spacious, versatile vehicle. Few little dents, there's a couple of dents there and there, tiny dent on the driver's door, only very slight, but all in all, very nice clean car for the age, being low mileage. Let's just take a look inside. You've got controls there for central locking, electric door mirrors, electric front windows, adjustable height driver's seat, so the seats are all in lovely condition. Got the book pack and all the service history with it there. 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got a 12-volt socket in there. Radio CD. There you go, all nice and clean inside. It's not had a hard life, this car, it's been looked after. Super low mileage, 56,000 miles. It's got the air conditioning there, that's all blowing nice and cold, so nice ice cold air for the summer. Plenty of storage again in there. And you've got a lot of storage at the top here as well. Lovely car to drive, lovely smooth drive, no issues with it. Will come with a new MOT as well. Well, that's the fuel release, that's there, pops the fuel open. So yeah, we'll put a new MOT in it, so it'll come with 12 months MOT, all good tyres, lovely smooth drive, very practical, versatile vehicle for a sensible price. So there you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.